How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you what you can do if the TikTok views option is not showing. Firstly, open settings on your device. After opening settings, go to the search bar on the very top and search for TikTok app. Now inside TikTok app, make sure that microphone and camera is turned on. Along with that, also check for the permission for photos. Now go back to settings main page. From the settings main page, scroll down and tap on the option general. Now go to the option iPhone storage and search for TikTok app again. Select the offload app to clear any unnecessary cache that may be available in TikTok. Also, ensure that you check for updates that may be available for TikTok app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for TikTok app and look for updates. Now simply give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed after the restart. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.